All right, so we got this one part of the roof is all done. This part of it. We got these 2x4s here for support, and we got that. And we've got all of this in here, and especially underneath of the framework. Those screws sticking out are going to be cut off, obviously. So this roof here is 1.5 foot in height. You know, from the bottom to the top is about 1.5 foot. The original roof was 7 inches in height, so this one is obviously taller because I don't want to use the original faucet. And there's also a chandelier I'm going to be putting into the dinette, which is why I made the roof higher up than the original. But we got that, and we've got 1/2-inch plywood, 4 pieces of 1/2-inch plywood going along the top. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is putting plywood along the back, along the side, and putting also plywood along here, and I'll the opening for the door and around the front. So I'm also going to be using 1/2-inch plywood for that. So I'm going to be closing it down today because it's getting really cold, and we spent all day on this. My cousin Kevin, brother-in-law Roger, Laura, and myself did a very good job with this. So for now I'm going to shut it down, and it's going to be underneath the carport. So that's what we're doing with it right now.